Hello everyone. So today I'm going to introduce you to new 6 Figma plugins, really great and really time-saving Figma plugins. So let's get started. The first one is FigDone. What it does is, let me just run it. Here it is. What it does is that it labels your artboards and frames. You can put statuses on them so that all of the team members uh, can know where you are in the project and what you have done. For example, here is a frame called FigDone 1. Here it is. You can put a status on it if you want to put to do or doing or done, blog, cancelled, no status. You can put any status according to your progress in the project. For example, I have put doing here, so it has put a yellow icon on the left side to show the other team members that I'm doing this frame, whatever I'm working on it. Also, you can just go to on the top and change the statuses, and you can filter out different frames. If you want to know what the frames are in progress, you can just click on doing and only the doing ones will come up. So it's a really great plugin to put clarity in the project and to assess your progress in the project and to manage things very well in the project. Here it is. If you There's another feature here. If you click on any uh, frame from here, it will take you that frame exactly, right on the spot. So I think it's really useful plugin. So let's move on to the next one. This one's called contrast. What it does is that let me just run it. What it does is that it tells you about the contrast ratio. It grades the contrast ratio of different design elements in the design to so you can increase your accessibility, and you can increase your usability of your design and readability as well. For example, if I choose any design element here, let's say I choose this rectangle, instantly it will grade the contrast ratio between the elements chosen and the background. Now you can see that it has failed this rectangle in the accessibility and in the contrast ratio for normal text, for large text, for graphics. Let's choose another one here. Let's choose this text here. So as you can see, it has shown different it has graded this text according contrast wise. It has given double A, and it has failed it in a triple A. It grades in double A and triple A system, so that you can get a know how accessible the design is and how readable is the design element. So it's a really great plugin as well if you want to increase your usability and if you want to increase your readability and accessibility of your design. You can just click on any design element, and you can check their its contrast ratio. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is called beautiful shadows. So let me just run it here. So what it really does is that it puts shadows on your design instantly, on your any design element. Just choose your design element, and you can just move this round circle here, and it will add the shadows instantly. So it's a really time saving plugin. As you can see, wherever you move the circle, it will change the shadow values on the other side. As you can see, it has added different drop shadow values instantly, and as you move it, these values will change also as well. Their values will change. As you can see here, the plugin has put all of these values. So one thing more, if you move this little circle around the bigger circle, if you move it up, it will change the brightness of the shadow. It will darken it and thicken it if you move upwards, and if you move downwards, it will make it lighter. So it's really a fast plugin. If you wanna use it for putting shadows, it really saves your time. You can also put shadows on pictures as well. It's all of it's nothing different here on the picture as well. As you can see, it's putting shadow, and if you move this little circle, it will darken the shadow as well. So you just hit apply, and it will apply the shadows instantly, as you can see here. So it's really time saving plugin. So let's move on to next one. The next one is called Wireframe. Let me just run it. Here it is. This plugin is also a really time saving plugin and really useful plugin. It provides different already designed wireframes templates on your fingertips. So let me just, it has given a little drop down on the upper side. As you can see, you can choose different wireframes in different categories. So let me choose this one, simplified wireframes and flows by Lattice. As you can see, it has all kinds of wireframe templates already designed, and the most amazing thing is that they are all editable and fully customizable. If you just select this, and as you can see, it has pasted the wireframe instantly on the canvas. So you can, as I have said, that these are fully editable. As you can see, I have here, it is, all of the design elements are fully editable. You can just change anything you want, and I think this is really time saving if you are designing wireframes for a client. So yeah, it's really amazing. All of these templates are available. There are so many templates here that you can get advantage of. So let's move on to next one. Okay, so next one is called SkewDat. Let me just run it from here. Here it is. It's a really cool plugin. What it does is that it skews your design element or your text, whatever you choose. It will skew its dimensions. It will change its angle, and you can skew it horizontally or vertically as you wish. As you can see, I have changing the vertical value here, and it is skewing the design in that direction. So I think it's really great plugin if you wanna add more depth and more uniqueness to your design. You can do that as well by using this plugin. The same thing with text. You can move around text and change its orientation and its dimensions. You can skew it vertically or you can skew it horizontally. So it's a really great plugin if you want to add more details to your design. Just hit apply and it will apply to that element. So it's a really great plugin. So let's move on to next one. Here's the last one. It's called Mapsicle. Let me just run it here. Here it is. What it does is it's really amazing. It provides you an online map, active map, so that you can just put dimensions here. You can also put dimensions here, and you can just whatever direction you want to put in, you can put in here in the center, and you can also edit the zoom. And let me just, here you can also choose its size, how many how big you want this map on your canvas or no, in your design. So it's really amazing. It's an amazing plugin. You can just export the design. You can just create a map here, change the size. You can change the style as well, outdoors. It will change it instantly. You can choose a light style or dark style as well. Here it is. So you can use it in your designs instantly. You can change the pitch of the in the camera option. So as you can see that I have added a pitch here, 50 value. In the pitch option, it has changed its the horizontal dimension. If I put 100, as you can see, it is showing everything in horizontal mode now. So I think it's a bit too much. Let me just put 70 here. So as you can see, it has changes the dimensions a little bit and made it horizontal. You can also change the rotation here as well of the map. You can put any value here, and you can just hit create map. So as you can see, it has pasted the map here. So it's a really great plugin. I think you don't have to open a Google map and put different go through all of these steps and screenshot the map from the Google map and put it here. You can just use Mapsicle plugin to do that very quickly and very efficiently. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and like the video as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.